everybody, so today we are going to be learning how to use Google Jamboard. So as you guys can see, I am in the brand new Jamboard and I haven't created anything. So in the down right hand corner, you're going to see a plus sign. You're going to click on it and then it's going to bring you to a new Jamboard. And then you're going to let it load. So mine is loading. It might take a little bit time or a few times. So here it's done loading. We see all the tools around it. So here it says Untitled Jam. Here you guys can name your Jamboard whatever you want. I'll just say how to use Jam. Okay. Jam means Jamboard. So here at the first place we have this pen tool where you guys can write on your Jamboard. If you have a touchscreen laptop, it's way more better to use Jamboard because you guys can just do it. And then here is for doing undo. Then we have this eraser. If you have to erase your thing, then you can erase it from here. Then we have this arrow tool, like if you have any image or anything, then you can use this to do it. Here we have the sticky note option. You have all the colors, even none, meaning it's gonna be white. And you guys can write. You guys can just add a online sticky note like that, and then you guys can click on save, and the sticky note will come, and you guys can make it bigger or smaller, however you guys want it to be. Then comes this image part where you guys can choose an image from URL, camera, Google image search, Google Drive, or Google Photos. Then comes the shapes part. You guys can choose any shapes from here, and then you guys can paste it like this. It's gonna have the border. Yep, that's the border color. And then you're also gonna see the fill-in color. Mine's just white right now. I can make it also transparent or any color I want to be filled in. Here we have T. T stands for text box. Here you guys can type, but not like a sticky note, like a normal type. So all the help. For the people who subscribe, thank you so much. As you guys know, we are gonna be doing a comment shout out. So whoever comments will get shout out starting tomorrow. Okay, so here's text box, and then lastly, we have this laser. So it can write, but then it can also erase in the back. So you guys will know what laser means, and you guys can also see it. Then here we have the sharing tool. If you want to share it with somebody, you just have to type in the email, and it's going to share with the person that you typed in. Just like this. And then here we have these 3 dots. If you want to rename it, which you can click on right here. You can also save the slide as a PDF. You can save this frame as an image. You can also remove this frame, or you can make this copy. Make a copy of the Jamboard, and it's going to duplicate it. And then if you want to get more help, then you can click on this, or if you want to send a feedback to Google, then you can click on this, and if you want to see the version history, then you can press on this. And then here's to make slides. You guys can press it. I think it only lets you make 20 slides maximum, no more than that. If you want to clear a frame, then you can press this. If you want to set up a background, like for example like this or like this, that's actually so cool. I like it. And then if you want to zoom in, you guys can zoom in or out. And here's to undo or redo. So that was all. And now we're gonna see you guys in our next video. Bye! Please subscribe to All the Help. If you have any questions, then you guys can email us at allthehelp11@gmail.com or comment. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.